What does a robot need to function? For a robot to function, it needs several key components that work together as a system. To help you understand, let's think of them as the parts of a human body. A robot needs a brain, senses, muscles, and a power source. The robot's brain is the controller. This is the processing unit that receives all the information, makes decisions, and sends commands to the other parts. Think of it as the central computer that runs the whole show, where all the programming and reasoning happen. Then there's the body, which has two parts. The first is the structure, which is the robot's chassis or skeleton, and gives it its shape. The second is the actuators, which are the robot's muscles. They convert energy into physical movement, allowing the robot to walk, move its arms, or open a gripper. The most common ones are electric motors. To know what's going on around it, a robot needs senses, which are the sensors. They are essential for the robot to perceive the world. There are many types: cameras for vision, microphones for audio, and proximity or tactile sensors that let it know if an obstacle is nearby or if it's holding an object. And of course, a robot needs energy. The power source can be a battery for mobile robots, a connection to a power outlet for stationary industrial robots, or a source of air or fluid for hydraulic and pneumatic systems. All of these components work together in a perfect choreography. For example, a sensor, a camera, detects an object. That information goes to the controller, the brain, which processes it and decides how to pick up the object. It then sends a signal to the actuators, the muscles, to move the arm, using energy from the battery, and just like that, the robot has completed the task. In short, a robot is an integrated system where the controller thinks, the sensors perceive, the actuators act, and the energy keeps everything running.